Updating your payout destination on your Apple ID is essential for ensuring you receive payments correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Open Settings. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and associated settings. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This section contains all the information related to your account. Step 3. Navigate to Payment and Shipping. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Update payout information. Tap on the option to edit your payout destination. You may need to enter your Apple ID password for security purposes. Follow the prompts to enter your new payout information. Step 5. Save changes. Once you have entered the new payout destination, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation that your payout information has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your payout destination on your Apple ID. Make sure to check your information regularly to ensure it remains accurate.